Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited today because it is 716 Day, my friends. And I have my friend Kathleen Chiavetta here to make what, Kathleen?
I am making our Greek bow tie pasta salad today, Mercedes.
Oh, and it smells so good in here. It smells so good in here. How did you make this?
So we started with a nice al dente pasta. You can use whatever pasta you like, but it is a bow tie pasta salad, so I chose bow ties. We used some fresh spinach, red onion, some feta cheese, sliced black olives, pimento, and then of course, our Chiavetta's Italian dressing.
Of course. And this dish is super simple, but I'm telling you, it smells so good in here. I wish you could smell this. Super simple, super quick to make, right?
Super quick, super easy. You can make it as easy as you want. That's why I use the sliced black olives, no chopping, no dicing required.
In Western New York, this is local. This is locally made. Why did you pick this dish?
So we've been catering for a long time, 70 years. This is a particular family favorite. We use it at a lot of our picnics.
I'm gonna try.
And we kind of used it today to kind of like commemorate. We've been around for 70 years this year. Super proud of that accomplishment. Really could not have done that without the wonderful people of Western New York. Community is one of our core values, and I happen to think that we are in the best community there could be. Buffalo.
I agree. And what does the community support mean to you personally?
It means everything. We really couldn't do what we do without our community. You know, beforehand we were just talking about stories, about people coming to visit us at the fair. That's so meaningful to us because our community could go anywhere and they choose us, and we really appreciate that.
Listen,
So
I
grateful.
appreciate you. I appreciate this dish. And you need to head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe because I'm gonna eat mine and Kathleen. Thank you so much. This is so good.
Thank you.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.